Chino Challenge 22, Chino, California, Sunnyside Promotion, MK Smith Chevrolet. This is the last chance qualifier. 14 cars ready to duke it out right here in the mud. Top 6 make it in. I know you've been walking through the pits. These guys have been busy. I mean, look at some of these cars. They're smoking. They're barely running. But hey, $3,200 to win is nothing to sneeze at.
Tommy, I'm telling you what, walking through the pits gives you a true appreciation for what these crews have to go through. I'm telling you what, just to have these cars running at this point at the night, this is an accomplishment for these guys. And as you said, they are all fighting to make it into the main. These crews have been working so hard to get these cars to this point. Let's see what they can do.
All right, well, it's time right now. It's going to get down and dirty, rough and tumble. Demolition Derby action right here. Who's it going to be? Top 6 make it. The rest go home on the trailer. Green's coming out. Last chance qualifier.
This is where it gets down and dirty.
Why red flag?
That's better than a goal in hockey. Wow, he's coming right into the audience.
Did they make that call? Did they just disqualify?
I think he's going up.
The number 12, Brian Brooksma is out out of Chino, California. The 65 Oldsmobile is out. The 03 Mike Gerloff is officially out. Another local driver out of Chino in the 88 Chevrolet. The field looks battered and beat down.
Yeah, I love the front bumper on 17.
'Cause Jack is out. So Jackson and Gary here.
Okay, well, what a B main, a hard-fought last chance qualifier, but the 6 that are going to make it, number 19, Marty Kingma, the number 6, Justin Bird, the number 1, Dickie Vandermeulen.
Then we have the 1720 of TJ Rispens, His car actually beat up enough. It actually isn't going to make it to the main. Unfortunately, motor seized up on that one. But also the N50, that car I'm surprised is still running. Mark Fernandez, as well as the 56, going to make it on to the main.
Wow, $3,200 to win. These guys are just going in for the shot. Hey, it might be, they've been derbying all night long compared to the guys they're going to be running against. But hey, it's a derby. Anything can happen. Anything will happen. And I think guys are going to go flipping crazy tonight in the main event coming up next.